If you want it, you are the only person that's going to be able to give it to yourself. So go get it. Welcome to Creating the Vision. This is week 7 check-in for week 7, and we did something new today. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Creating the Vision. I am trying something new today. And so I'm outside waiting for my session to start. I am trying out like a private gym pod today. My friend was telling me about, and she actually like made me remember because I seen it on TikTok, that we now have like gym pods in Chicago where instead of going to like a full service gym with the public full service gym, they have private pods where you can rent out a full service gym room with everything that you need in it, and it'll just be you in there. And I'm just such in a I don't want to be in a crowded gym type of vibe at all. So I'm testing that out today, and I'm very excited. So I'm waiting for that to start. My session starts at 9:30, and then I can open my room with the app. And so I'm just waiting for that to start. I got my gym bag packed. I got me a little water, I got my gloves, I'm about to see if I can hop right back where I left. And so I haven't been to like the gym since before Mexico, so April, so literally like right before my birthday. So it's been about six-ish months or whatnot. So hopefully that muscle memory will tap back in. But I'm excited to lift some weights today, so I'm going to try my best to bring you all in there. I have 30 minutes, so I really don't have no time to play, and I don't have no tripod, and I didn't bring my camera. So I have my phone, and I'm going to try to capture what I can, but I'm definitely just trying to zone in. But yeah, so I have 30 minutes, like I said. So I wrote out basically like a simple intro to strength training, which should be very simple. There's nothing extreme on there at all. But I'm about to go in there and tap into that, and I am very excited. And so they have single drop-in, so I paid $6 to rent out the entire room, and they have drop-ins, but they also have membership. So this is like a test trial for me to decide if I want to get a membership for this, so I can just pop in and out of the gym pods when I want to, which would probably be a weekend thing, just because of how my work schedule is. But yeah, when I say turning up a notch, I mean that. I'm trying to make sure that each day, each week, each month is better than the last, some way, somehow, and just turning the dial up. So I'm excited to get in this gym. And this is the first time, I'm trying to think, when was the last time I did something new by myself? So those of you who don't know, who hasn't been on my main channel, like the homepage or whatever, this is a channel with me and my twin sister, and just like our similarities and differences and just how we live. And this is the first time that I've done something new by myself in a while. So I really wanted to do it because of that, because as twins, you're always together, even though obviously we've grown, we don't work together, but like most of the things that we do are still together. She has her things that she does alone, I'll be in the crib. So this is my first time doing something by myself in a very long time, and I'm excited, and I hope that I love it, because when I do get to do things alone, I always love it. So I'm very excited. And I always said, like, because I used to be at LA Fitness, and so I'm like, I always said, I wonder how much it will cost for them to allow me to rent this entire gym out an hour before they open, because everybody is in the way. Everybody is in the way, and I just want it to be dark. I want everything to be available for me, and I just want to, that's how I want a gym. So because I'm basically about to have this whole gym to myself, baby, I can feel that I'm about to love it. So I'm excited to slide up in there and see what that feels like. And I literally just found out about it maybe like Tuesday. Was this the week that I went to work or didn't go to work? Maybe like Thursday is when I heard about it, and I was just like, okay. And I'm like, I'm not about to procrastinate, because I will sit and wait on stuff for a very long time, and it'll be like weeks, months, years. Oh, I wish I would have done that. So I'm like, no, let me do a Sunday, because I don't have anything to do on Sunday. So I am here on a Sunday trying something new out in November. So I am excited, and we named November November, bringing in all of the new. And so this is something brand new for me to try, and I'm very excited. And I hope I love it, because this just is going to help create and scope that vision so well. Y'all don't understand. I'm so excited, because baby, I've been working. Okay, so yes, very excited. So I got about 10 more minutes before I can scan and open the door to the room. And yeah, let's just get this done. All right, the door is opening and closing automatically. This is the room. 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 I don't know what the. Oh, they got a tripod. Oh yeah. Okay, real quick, they got a little tripod thingy. Don't know what that is. Oh, that looks like a Bluetooth speaker. Is it a Bluetooth speaker? It is. How do I connect to it? Do not turn on. Okay, wait. So I got mats. I got those. I got these. Ooh, okay, little gym potty. Okay, I'm not gonna be using it. Oh, they got one of these things. How the heck? Not sure. Okay, and they get these. They get this. They get hand sanitizer. They get an exit button. Cool. Video surveillance. What's up, y'all? Okay. Okay, so this isn't a speaker. This is a motorized massage thingy. It vibrates. I don't know. Okay. So like you all can see, or like you all saw, I went to a gym pod, and I was able to work out by myself in my first time strength training since April, and it was a good time. My body was worked, but it was a good time, and I loved it. And I'm going to be going back. I'll figure out a schedule and the plans when that time comes. It's not that time right now. It's going to be added in there some way, somehow, because I liked it a lot. Okay. I made something new, and I tried something new this week, which is when you feel like you might be getting bored with something, or with that same old, that's the perfect time to start adding something new into the regimen. So I was going to make like the Alfredo broccoli chicken casserole, but I'm like, I really don't want that. So I'm like, let me try something else. I seen ground chicken meatballs, like the Greek style meatballs, and I'm like, okay, that look good. Let me try that. So I did have that, and when I say, not only did it look good, but it tastes good too. And hopefully I got a picture or something, I don't remember. But I air fried them one time, which is what the recipe called for, but I also like seared them in over a fire or whatnot in a skillet. And I will say I liked it better air fried, but it was really good. So I had the meatballs, then I had like a Jerusalem salad with cucumbers and tomatoes and some red onions. I had some roasted potatoes, and it was just like feta and Greek yogurt and black olives and green olives, and all of the things was added in that bowl, and it was just so good. Week 7, we in here. Week 7, new things. So, you know, I'm going to be complete with 75 hard this month in November. So when I say I'm basically on my last leg before I am complete and turn it up a notch, it just feels so good. Like this whole little situation, this whole little journey of mine that I started, it just feels great. So I'm keeping on going, keep on going, because it's just getting better and better. And it's about to be the end of the year, and I'm not doing this for the end of the year, but it's like, what I'm starting now is becoming a habit, and it's going to be like permanent in my life by the time the spring comes. That means I'm gonna be acting a fool by the summer. Anyway, I don't know, but I'm just excited because things are just moving. Time is moving, and I'm working with the time and utilizing the time. Like these days, we keep on saying like, oh, time is going by so fast. These days are going by fast. Not as 2025 coming up, but it was just 2020. You feel me? The time is moving by so fast. This is the perfect time to jump into something and do it, because when you look up, not only has it gone fast, but it has went so fast, but it went so fast in your favor because you're working on something in that timeline. So baby, I had to jump on that bus because that bus is moving fast and I wanted to be on there. I think as of yesterday, I think on the scale, I'm like 15 pounds down since September 17th. And I'm just like, not 15 pounds, not is working, not this simple, not, come on. And by the time I get there, it's like, if you can do that starting September, just imagine what you can do by summer, since that's the goal. You feel me? Like, so I'm just excited to keep on going because every week I'm trying to fit in where I can do my best, where I can do better, where I just need to put more energy into, and I'm just doing a great job and I'm proud of myself, you know. And this is a great journey, especially to just be active, especially when the holidays is coming around. That's gonna be another story, that's gonna be another test, that's another journey. When I get there, I'm gonna get there, and hopefully I don't act the fool, which I don't know, we'll see when we see. But I'm just excited to be creating this vision and watching this vision come to life. It's such a good time. And when you see that you can do one thing, you're like, if I can do that, I can do anything. Just put the energy into it, put the discipline into it, put the consistency into it. You can literally do anything, you feel me? Like, so I'm allowing myself to show myself what we can do. And this time the category is just fitness and health. And so I'm just very, 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 very excited to continue to go along this journey and do the things and train the things and shape the things and lean the things and cut the things and sculpt the things, all the things, yeah. All of them. So just continue to watch the journey that I am documenting on here for myself, but you all can enjoy and maybe get inspired. But yes, so this is I'm stepping into week 8, and I'm just excited. And this is the book that I mentioned in the last check-in that I had to go pick up. And I am still reading the Fear book, but when I got this book in my hand, it opened, I started reading the pages, and I just couldn't put it down. So this is by the same author as The Alchemist. And if you read The Alchemist and you really could understand it, I had to read it 2 times, maybe 3. No, I had to read it 3 times. By the second time, I got it. By the third time, I was reading it to remember it, like 7 years later. But the book's so good, and I'm like, I really like this author, and I don't think I wasn't doing 75 hard when I read his other book. He has a book called The Archer, which is basically like a story about getting what you want and being intentional about hitting your target. Archer, think archery, you feel me? So point, aim, shoot. That's what that book was about. This book is The Warrior of Light, and it's the story about the rise to your destiny. Come on. As soon as I seen that, I said, yeah, no, I'm about to start this book. There is no rules about reading. You don't have to complete a book just to start a new book, baby. I'm reading all of them at the same time. Whatever I feel like picking up is what I'm gonna pick up, and baby, this is what I want to pick up, and this is what I have in my hand. Baby, it's a book about a journey. A book about what you can do if you really take a hold of your own life, because the life you live can be the life you dream, and the life you dream should be the life you live. You feel me? So it's like rise to your destiny, but you have to be a certain individual within your own life to take hold of your life and be like, this is what I want, this is what I'm going to do. And so all of us are a warrior within our own lives, and so it's the Warrior of Light. You feel me? So it's a good book. I'm like 35 pages in or whatnot. Great book. Great book. I already know. There's more. I'm getting more of them because I love them. So if you are interested, check that book out. If you haven't read The Alchemist, that needs to be on your before I leave the earth reading list. But yeah, so I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Sunday. The girls is about to come over. I am chilled, I am relaxed, the house is clean, the house smells good, all of the things. And so I just wanted to check in with you all. This should be dropping hopefully before the end of the night. And just so you all know, the weeks keep getting better and better. The pounds are shedding. The skin is looking good. Continue to follow along on the journey and just know that you can do it. All you have to do is really tap into yourself, tap into your own power, and remember that if you want something, you are the only person that's going to be able to get yourself anything. You are the only person that actually knows exactly what it is that you want. There is absolutely no reason for you to be waiting for something, someone, or something to try to help you get what it is that you want. Because if you're not capable of building the strength within yourself to go get it, what it is that you want, how do you expect to get it? If you don't want it that bad, you're not gonna get it. So want it bad enough that you're going to go out there and get it. If you're hungry and there's nobody around to bring you any food, are you going to starve? Or are you going to go in the kitchen and make you some food? Or are you going to go pick you up some food? If you want it, you are the only person that's going to be able to give it to yourself. So go get it. And so I'm going to get it. Y'all better go get y'all's, because I don't know. It might not be there. It might not be there when y'all try to go get it. I don't know. But I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my Sunday. It's a beautiful day. It's still fall, no snow in Chicago. So I will catch y'all when I catch y'all, and goodbye. Subscribe.